Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to GitHub from to, GoDaddy. First of all, open GoDaddy. First of all, go to your GitHub repository, click the settings button, then pages. Choose your branch and folder, usually main or root, then click save. Scroll down to domain section, custom domain section, enter the domain name like www.example.com and click save. GitHub will auto create a CNAME file. Now go to your GoDaddy account, open DNS settings, add these two records, a records and CNAME record. DNS changes can take a few minutes to a few hours. Once it's live, your site will load with your custom domain and auto SSL from GitHub. Back to GitHub and check the box for force HTTPS to keep your site secure. And that's it. You have connected your domain to GitHub Pages in 2025. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.